Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm getting ready to start the engine up on my Sea Ray. I'm over here in my driveway getting the boat ready for the summer. It's awesome. Finally get some green grass out here. The sun's finally shining. And what I'm going to need to do is I've got a pair of water muffs right here. Bought them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of this video over to them. And I'll show you how they go on and what they do. Basically, they go around the back of the motor here. I've got an inboard outboard 4.3 Mercruiser. I'm going to attach these water muffs to the motor. Start the water. You got to have water going to it before you start the boat, and this will pump water up and through the motor to keep it cool, so you can run the motor, see if it's doing anything crazy, warm up the oil so you can get all the oil out of it, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do an oil change, and I'll show you what's involved. So what you're going to want to do is on both sides of the motor there are these water intakes, and these square muffs are going to go over those, and you're going to want to make sure that they're sealed on both sides. So I'm going to slip these on right now. I have both sides secured nicely over those holes. They're blocked all the way, and I'm going to hook my hose up to the end right there. All right, so I have these on, and there's some shooting out of the sides. That's fine. They're not like a total watertight seal, so you're going to see some water coming out. You get the motor fired up. So now I get some water going up into the motor. If you have a thing that weeps out, like peas out, you should make sure that that's going. I've got an inboard outboard, so it doesn't tend to do that. Make sure you got water flowing out. That's good. So my Mercruiser, it comes out this side too. I just put a new impeller in it last year, so that's pretty good now. That's pretty much it, guys. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.